we're here because I'm trying to get to the point of getting funded to make some changes in my life and my family's life. And the necessary piece for that is your credit score, right? You have to have that in line if you're going to move forward. And so I came across some of your marketing, seemed to be genuine. It resonated. I knew this was a step that I had to take. And so I came to you guys with a subpar score, right? But now that's not the case, thankfully. This is about taking a big step to get some funding that, if applied correctly, this can have a major impact on my life and most importantly, my family's life. So, with my score where it is now, it's like, it just makes me want to give a huge shout out to Gino, to Robert, the entire credit leverage team. You guys did some incredible work. You removed a lot of negative items from my credit report, boosted my credit score, and thanks to that, I'm in a place where I'm ready and I'm looking forward to getting funded. Getting the funding that I needed. So I'm really grateful, right? And you guys got a great program. If anybody is kind of on the fence, if you're on the fence, it's not a comfortable place to be and the grass is greener on the other side. So I would definitely recommend just taking a step in the right direction and aligning yourselves with the credit leverage team, because they are very knowledgeable, effective, easy to work with, and they've made a positive impact on my score, which is going to open up many doors for my future. So I'm really grateful.